Think of your car's engine like a high-speed orchestra where the timing has to be perfect down to the millisecond. But when code P0372 appears, it means the conductor has lost the beat. This code specifically means your timing reference high-resolution signal A has too few pulses. Your powertrain control module needs this high-speed data from the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor to know exactly how fast the engine is spinning and where each piston is located. Without this info, the computer cannot decide when to fire the spark plugs or when to spray the fuel, leading to a car that is very hard to start or won't start at all. Most modern cars use either a Hall effect sensor, which uses a 5-volt reference signal, or a permanent magnet sensor that generates its own IC voltage as a notched wheel spins past it. If that wheel, called a reluctor ring, gets a chipped tooth or gets covered in metal shavings from dirty oil, the sensor misses a beat and the computer gets confused. You will definitely see a check engine light and feel a major lack of power when you try to accelerate onto the highway. To get to the bottom of this, you need to start with a visual inspection of the sensor and the wiring near the harmonic balancer or the distributor. Look for any loose plugs or wires that might have been chewed by a rodent. If the wiring looks good, grab your digital multimeter. For a permanent magnet sensor, you should see between 500 and 1,200 ohms of resistance across the terminals. For a Hall effect sensor, you want to back probe the signal wire and watch the voltage jump between 0 and 5 volts as you slowly rotate the engine by hand. If the voltage stays flat, the sensor is likely dead. Also, check your oil for any tiny metal flakes, because if those get stuck to the magnetic tip of the sensor, it will stop reading correctly. This is a moderate to severe code because if the timing is off far enough, the car simply becomes undrivable. If you are checking these signals and things just aren't adding up, or if you suspect the reluctor wheel inside the engine is damaged, it is time to call a professional shop. They have specialized tools like oscilloscopes that can see these pulses in real time to find the exact glitch in the system. Fix it now so you can get back to smooth driving without the fear of a stall.